Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the antutu benchmark test between the Mi10i device versus the POCO X3 smartphone versus the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. All these three smartphones, they're having the different kind of Snapdragon process, and in this video, let's compare the antutu benchmark scores of the different Snapdragon processor friends. And the Mi10i recently launched in India for the price of 20,999, and whereas the POCO X3 is priced right now at 16,999, and the Samsung Galaxy M51 you can buy about 22,999. So in this category friends, the RAM I am using is 6GB RAM variant, so that's why the price is at 20,999 and 16,999 and at 22,999. The expensive mobile here on the table is the Samsung Galaxy M51 device, so which has the Snapdragon 750G processor. There is a Snapdragon 750G. So this is quite very good for the mid-range segment mobile phones below 15,000 or close to 20,000 but not about 20,000. So next device is a POCO X3, which has a Snapdragon 732G. So these are exactly best suitable mobile phone for the mid-range segment mobile phones price range. So right now, recently the Snapdragon has launched the latest processor, which is a 750G processor in this Mi10i device. So this is another game-changing processor friends. Definitely this is a one most important thing and really good feature in this Mi10i smartphone. Apart from 108 megapixel lens, the Snapdragon 750G processor is the best important feature in the Mi10i device. So the reason why I'm saying that, because of this antutu benchmark test, and even after using for a couple of days, I got into that kind of conclusion. And for more this kind of live wallpapers and this punch hole wallpapers, so there's a separate playlist available in the links and description below friends, so make sure to check the playlist links as well. So there will be a playlist for the smartphones as well. You can see there are so many videos which are already uploaded on each and every smartphone, so make sure to check the links in description for more updated information. So right now let's get started with this antutu benchmark test. So let me try to quickly open the antutu benchmark score directly without even wasting any time. So I thought of just showing you the antutu benchmark score, and let me try to arrange the sequence of this order. So which order is what? So let me try to arrange the order, so which is at the top position. You will be able to know as well by using this kind of method. So the first position goes to the Mi10i device. So as I said, the Snapdragon 750G processor is very powerful, and the score is about 3,42,000. That's a really good score friends for this kind of price range. So that is the most interesting selling point for this phone. So there is a few phones like the Realme X3, which has a Snapdragon 855 plus processor. That is also another option is there for you. That is also same price as this phone as well. So as you can see, there is a score here, and next is a Samsung Galaxy M51 device, so which I scored about 2,73,000. And another thing is a POCO X3. One more thing friends, if you do the multiple times antutu benchmark test, the results might be vary. So one thing is that 732G and 730G, the both are close to each other. So this is what my conclusion is. So when I did the antutu benchmark test long ago, I did receive the antutu benchmark score about 2,74,000 and 2,75,000 as well. So overall, if you take the consideration as a round figure, I would say 732G and the 730G, so both phones, they are very close to each other. So there's not much difference going on here, but there's a huge difference is going on with the Mi10i versus these two mobile phones. As you can see friends, the difference is close to 70,000. That's a huge difference. So average, if the difference is 20,000 or 25,000, I would not cared about, but 70,000 difference is a huge difference. So this is a quick antutu benchmark test comparison between all these three different smartphones, and these are the results. So these are the quick update friends, and for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also do support me by subscribing friends, and see you in the next video friends for more interesting comparisons. So thank you for watching. Bye.